Hey everybody, this is Maddox Mullinax from Mullinax Racing, and I have a very special announcement. Today, I'd like to welcome aboard a brand new partner of ours called QuickTrick Alignment, your DIY alignment tool for every home mechanic and shop monkey. Now, QuickTrick Alignment was started by a guy named Gary Gand right here in Pelham, Alabama. They're a hometown company, and that's why I'm so happy to have them aboard. You can visit it at QuickTrickAlignment.com. Again, these are made right here in Pelham, Alabama, and we're very thankful for them. Hey guys, this is Maddox Mullinax of Mullinax Racing. I just wanted to tell you how much I've enjoyed my new tool. This is a front-end alignment tool. You can put it on almost anything. I got it set up right here. It can tell you your caster, your camber, and your toe with just one tool. It takes minutes to set up, and look at that. That's going to stay on that tire for you while you do it. We put it on half the cars that we have in our shop already in the last week, and it's found multiple problems. And you can put it on almost anything with a front-end tire. Thank you. Go get it.